This is a tag accordion book I'm calling Winter Wonderland, and it's made using TaylorMade Journals Winter's Magic and Winter's Tale. And here's some of the beautiful accordion features of this book. Beautiful animals and black color, gray. Here's the first tag, a little pocket. One of the challenges of making these small books is that everything is super tiny. There's a little coin pouch and a beautiful fox. Fold out these cute little bunnies in their winter coats. And I just love that image. And the white bunny. And a tag that slips in at the top there. And I'll try to get this closed quickly. It's a challenge putting all these elements in such a small space, so I put these two bindings together there. All right, this is another tag and the pockets from the kit. This beautiful Arctic fox, little creature there. And then we continue with another picture of the fox. So beautiful. And that's a flip. So let's go the other side. This lovely image of these creatures and a bird with the pocket. The bunny again. And this is a flip. And the wolf on a tag. And that's also in a little angled pocket there. And that's the end of this book. Now, how I made this was taking an 8.5 by 11 of cardstock and printing out a background page, and then I folded it, and then I divided it into sections, 5 different sections. So 3 of the pages are 3 inches each, and then the ends are 1 inch each, and they are to hold the tags at the front and back. So there's the tag, that's the front tag, there's the hinge, and the other tag goes on top of it, hiding the hinge. And of course you do that on the front cover and the back cover. And I like to line up the bottoms so that it can stand up on its own and it becomes a decorative piece. So you can give it to someone and they could display it. Makes a nice gift. And I put the pockets and flip outs onto this page first before I added the covers on the front and back. That was just easier for me. I wanted to say thank you so much, Lorna, for this beautiful kit, and I will make more with it. I just wanted to share this small project with you today. I also wanted to share this beautiful personalized stamp set I purchased from TaylorMade Journals. The link to the Etsy shop is below in the comments. One of these stamps says "Handmade with Love" by Beth, and the other says "This journal created by Beth." And I wanted to say thank you, Lorna. I love these stamps. I love the kits. Thank you for watching.